Alright, I'm not picking it up for you.
I don't go that fast on the lookout.
Say somebody better.
Sorry.
Uh-oh. Now Austin's going to take it from there. Mannix. Where's it going? Where'd it go?
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
There it is. Mannix, be nice. We found it.
Watch your head, bud.
Where'd it go?
Is it Kenny's chest?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he won't mind if we take it, will he?
No.
He won't get mad?
No.
Austin, you gotta share. It's
Oh, he's
fine.
fine. Mannix is the one being greedy. Mannix is just like, let me show you exactly how these wheels work, and then you can play.
What you got?
Give it back to him. Oh, I hate that. How he tries popping them and just.
That one?
I hate the sound of a balloon popping.
Okay, thank you.
Just because you don't know when it's going.
Austin.
Is it good?
Oh,
Is that good?
yeah, that's funny. He lost them. What did you lose, the keys?
What'd you lose? Those sandals you just bought me, those blue ones. Aqua ones.
Aqua?
You know those Coleman sandals?
Are they inside?
I rode them up from the... I don't think so. I rode them when I had my bike. I rode the bike up. I was wearing them. I would think I would have kicked them off over here.
Didn't leave them at the beach, did you?
No, I used... Oh,
You
there
rode
they
them
are.
back.
Right here. No, I rode the